Okay, so welcome to episode 2 of Networking Essentials, and today we'll be looking at how to configure a DNS server on a Cisco packet tracer. DNS simply stands for Domain Name System. Now, on a network, computers can't really um, identify websites with their names. They identify or their websites according to their IP addresses, and human beings are not really that good in memorizing IP addresses. So what we have is a domain name system which keeps logs of the names of these websites, converts them to the IP addresses for the computers to understand. So I'll demonstrate right here. So what we need is we need our end user switch and then a server is this one. So I'll quickly connect them. Today's lab will be very short. Okay. Okay, so what we do is we set the IP address. We are not using dynamic, we're just using static. So just set the IP address for the PC 192.168.1.5, everything. Okay, so we are done with that. Now let's set one for the server. Okay, so for the server, let's make it 192.168.1.1. I want you to remember the IP address for the server because we would need it. Okay, so now since now the IP address for the server has been set, we go back to the PC. Okay, let's configure from this side. Okay, so over here, DNS server, we change that to the IP address of the DNS server. This part is very important. If you forget it, if you forget to configure this part, it won't work. 192.168.1.1. Okay, so now we are set. We go back to the server. So we come to services, DNS, put on. We have to turn it on. So what I want the name to be is www.zodlabs.com. The IP address will be that of the server 2.168.1.1. Let's save it. Okay. Okay, so now let's make it another one. Zod Labs 92.168.1.1. I think these two will be okay for the test. We go back to the PC, web browser. Okay, so we start with Zod Labs. Yep, so we are able to reach the web page by using the DNS. We also use our IP addresses again here. Yep, it works. Okay, let me just change this name. Okay, then it works. So let's try the full one. Zod labs rather. Yep, so it works. So that's how DNS works in Cisco packet tracer. The thing you have to be careful about is setting the DNS server here. If you forget it, you're going to be in deep trouble. Not really deep trouble, but you just be wondering what's going on because he did everything wrong. He did everything right. He didn't really do everything right. He just left with this part that you have to deport it. I think we're done with this episode. Totally too short. Thank you.